Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks Part 3. I would have added this to Part 2, but I didn't realize how easy it was going to be to fix this. If you didn't watch Part 2, I had both these going over. So all I have to do is take this one and delete the fill. Delete the fill, delete the fill. So that one is going, so we need to add some lines, and that's very easily done because we got nodes to add to, so we can go right there to that node at that node. It's going to be perfect. So we're adding these lines. So I'm going to delete these lines and then just take your Smart Fill tool and fill in these 3 sections. And because this one's a short one, we're going to get the interactive fill tool, and this is actually a double because it's going underneath there. So we're going to do what we did before and put black on both edges or both ends, and then bring in the turquoise. And I'm not doing a great job I'm just trying to get you to realize what it would look like. I'm holding down the mouse button and you see the add sign. Then we could go like that, make it a little bit darker. And then on this one, it's the same way. It's a double darkness because this one's going to be going underneath here, and this one is going underneath here. We're going to go ahead and spread them out a little bit and bring in our turquoise. Maybe try to get them about the same distance from the line. And I'm not doing I could play with that and make it look really good or a little bit better. And then this one is just a single, so we're just going to put it here and put darkness here. And if I would have realized how quick and simple this was, here's another double. And what I mean by double is it's got darkness on both ends because it's going underneath the other section. And so I'm going to spread that out a little bit, bring our turquoise and put it there and put it there. Now we're going to bring it back in a little bit, and you're done. Now, truth's in the pudding. I'm going to right click, no outline, and I'm going to bring in a black box. I'm going to make it black. By right clicking, I'm going to go to Object, Order, Backup Page. That's pretty impressive. And if you played around with it enough and got your shadows perfect, and you could still, when you have this black background, you can still do your shadow. You still got your interactive fill capabilities. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.